finding the mean for group data on a problem like this one here from the homework. First, you see the data is grouped, so we don't have the individual values, and there are a lot of values. So you see the frequencies have high numbers. And so in order to find the mean and standard deviation for group data, there's two things you can do. One would be to use kind of the calculated, complex formulas. And so you can see here some complex looking formulas, and it takes a lot of time. Notice we have to multiply by the frequency value, the mean, each of those values. So it takes some time to do, and then compare that. So that's for standard deviation. And then for the mean also has a way we can do it by hand. But again, I emphasize in this class StatCrunch, which we'll get to. And this is how you would do this problem here. Sorry, I'll get to it. There we go. Once you have the group data, open that in StatCrunch. And as you have in StatCrunch here, the data is grouped. And so what you're going to do is summary stats grouped data. The bins, right, that's our square footage. Our counts are in the frequency. We have consecutive lower limits. They're all going by 500, which would be our case. And then you would click mean and standard deviation and then compute that. And that's where you would get your mean and standard deviation for grouped data. And that would be the faster way instead of doing it by hand.